Well, my name is Rick van Nieuwenhuyse. I'm the president and CEO of Contango Ore. It's maybe a company you've not heard of. We've been around for a while. We've been exploring, and we found a 1.3 million ounce gold deposit. But what makes us special right now is we've entered into an agreement with Kinross to fast track our fantastic deposit to production. And we can do this because we're in Alaska, but we're on infrastructure in Alaska. We're on the Alaska Highway, and Kinross has an underutilized mill that will feed our ore into. So we don't have to build a mill. We don't have to build a tailings facility. So that's why what's special about Contango is we can fast track this deposit for low capital, low risk, and get to a point where we can be producing 65,000 ounces of gold for our shareholders, which translates to about $10 per share of free cash flow when you work through the economics. The ground that we control is really literally a district scale opportunity. It's 12 times the size of Manhattan, the land package that we have. And a lot of it is on private lands owned by the Teton tribe and on state claims, not on federal land, which is obviously a little more difficult to work on. We've only explored a very small area of the property. So I'd say, 85% of the property is virtually unexplored. We have lots of baseline geochemistry to lead us in the right direction to find more deposits. So this is a fantastic opportunity from an exploration side, and my background as an exploration geologist, that's what I'm most excited about going forward. Well, as an exploration geologist, I've been involved in some very major discoveries, the Donlin deposits, 40 million ounces of gold, Galore Creek, a huge copper gold porphyry in British Columbia. I'm very excited about this project because of the district scale potential that we have under control. The investment opportunity with Contango is really gets down to value per share. And when you're producing 65,000 ounces of gold a year, and you can get there on a very low risk path by not having to build your own mill, not have to permitting your own mill or your own tailings facility, because that already exists at Fort Knox. We're utilizing that underutilized capacity. That's what's compelling. And when you work through the economics of this project with 750 all-in sustaining costs, the use of $1,750 long-term gold price, that's $1,000 free cash flowing margin. That's $10 per share. That's I don't know of another opportunity like it in the exploration stage companies, and we're in the U.S. We're in a safe jurisdiction. Alaska is the second largest gold producing region in the United States. So it's a very low risk opportunity for investors, and we're trading at less than half the net asset value of the one asset. Plus, we have all that exploration upside to add more value for shareholders. And that exploration, both around the Peak deposit and on the 100% owned lands that Contango has that are immediately adjacent to the Peak deposit, we think we can continue to find more high quality gold and copper projects in the region. In terms of production, we have outlined a 3-year timeline starting in year 2021. We're working on that now. This year, we'll finish up our infill drill program and some metallurgy. 2021 and 2022, we'll be completing a feasibility study and permitting, and start construction in 2023 and be in production by 2024. If there's a way of increasing and shortening that timeline, that's something we'll obviously work on. But I think it's a realistic time frame to be in production by 2024. Producing 65,000 ounces of gold net for Contango shareholders. I'm very excited about this project because of the district scale potential that we have under control.